Hello everyone, let's try to solve pattern 16 from TUF plus today. So here you can see we are given with n equal to 5 and we want to draw something like this. Example and try to understand the problem. We want to draw is like A and A. So like all other problems, we first try to identify the number of rows and try to identify the outer four number of. It is straightforward for now. You have already watched all other my videos on patterns. You can say I is n and plus right for loop for row. Now let's coming back to the columns or maybe the printing characters that we want to print here in every row. Okay, so what is it? A here, try to mark our value 1 B here. Now we know for each row we want to print different character. Earlier it was like A B, ABC, something like this. But this is like a some different kind of pattern. So since we want to print a character for every row, right? And we know that for 0 we want to print A, for I equal to 1 we want to print 2 characters, I equal to 2 we want to print 3 characters. Can we say I'll write the for loop, right one, I for j equal to and j is less than equal to that many characters for each row? Yes. Row to 0 1 character only. Yes, 0 1 character only want to print. So j is 0 and j is less than equal to I. That 0 is less than I. Yeah, it will get true for first row, and for next row it doesn't matter. Like it will get false because j will be 1 and 1 is less than equal to, that will not satisfy the loop condition. Then again for the second row also we want to print 2 characters. Row 1, yes, it will be true. For 0 we will print b, and for I equal to 1 j equal to, for that we will print the second character. So this is the correct for loop for printing. But now coming back to the logic, what we want to print, we can't print j because we are storing truth value. There are no characters we are using in this. Can we do this? Char c, okay. Char c a plus I, because I'll tell you, because for the first row same character is printing, second row same characters are printing, for third row it is same characters, and for fourth row also it is same character. So at the row level we can set the character here after the initializing first outer loop for the rows, can do that. Yes, and if a plus I, that means for the first loop a plus 0, it is a only. If a plus 1, it is b, a plus c. So that way we can set. Also one more new thing, I have to cast this particular statement. Why we have to cast? I'll just write it down. Print e. I'll tell you why we want to cast e. At the end we will break the line. Okay, so this is the code. And why we want to, let's say, cast here, because a plus I, nothing but its ASCII value is 65 plus 1, it is 60, and we want that result in characters. We have to cast it back to characters. Give you p, case of 6 instead of 66 it will give you p character, and we want the character. So that's how casting works here. Yeah, let's try to or int I equal to I is less than n I plus that will char c char. of a I in one or a equal to n equal to I, okay, right, system dot out dot print will print C, and a break line dot try to run this some sometimes equal to a compatible types char 8 char. What is the error? Try to find out. Try to find it out. Error from into char. What does pass into char like? As typecast. They are typecasting it. They are doing it here. They are typecasting it. They are doing it. Let's do one thing. Store it in a int. Try. Try this. And we are printing. I yes it can we cast it. Yes. It's work. I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, it worked out for us. And talking about time complexity and space complexity, where for loop space complexity. Yeah. Thank you for watching the